So I'm sitting here doing brakes on my 3/4 ton here. It's got the GM 14 bolt in it, and I got the drum assembly off, which I'm changing, as well as the hardware and everything. But what I noticed is that brake pad not only razor thin, but she's cracked on both sides, and my drum is chipped. So good thing we're doing brakes. So we were tearing apart the brakes last night, and we broke a brake line right here. So I went into town and we got new brake line, new wheel cylinders, and hopefully we can get this puppy fixed up. So just got the new shoes on here and all the spring hardware, which was a little bit of son of a bitch to get in, but we got her done. Alright, we got the driver's side drum all back together. Everything spins. I'm turning the other side on the other side, so it's a lot harder, but you can hear the slight engagement with the brake pad, and look all the way through there, you can see the other tire spinning as well. So, but let's move on to the other side. So nearly got finished up with the rear drum brakes last night. I had some lug nuts go rogue and decided I didn't want to participate in holding the wheel on anymore, so I got two more of those to put on. I have to torque down the axle flange and a couple other things, and then rear brakes be ready to go. Stopped by the parts store this morning. Got myself some front calipers to go with my power stop pads and drilled and slotted rotors that I'm putting on the front. So let's finish up the rear and get started. So this, as you can see, this is kind of the before with the old brakes. They've been used, a little rusty. There's a ridge actually right here. Do have some pad life left, but not much. But fairly rust free in here though. It's kind of why I bought the whole rig. So, but let's dig in and get this torn apart. So I just got all the hub to knuckle bolts out. There's 4 of them, 2 on the other side. And this was the thing I was the most worried about. But look at these things. They're like brand spanking new. So looks like we should be at least good for this side. I'll keep you posted. So we finished up the brakes the other day with brand new calipers, brand new hose, brand new rotors, brand new pads, the whole 9 yards, and we're pulling to the left pretty hard, like really hard. So I did a little bit of research. Might be the banjo bolt, might have a crushed line. We'll have to see, but we're gonna get this thing jacked up and go from there. Okay, so we got her jacked up. An interesting development is this wheel will spin freely, but I can't get this one to turn for my life. So I'm not sure what that means given it pulls to the left. Because I'm pretty sure, thinking about it, if this one is clamped, it's like steering a tank, it should pull it to the right. So I don't know. Let's take the wheel off and find out. So got the wheel off, and still can't move it, so let's try to release the pressure here. If I can. There we go. Got that hose free. I know I could just pry something in there, but I just put new pads in, so shoot, need to catch something with that. A little late now, but it's okay. So, still nothing. So let me get in here and try to pry this back, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so I took my screwdriver and stuck it in here and pried this caliper back, and she spins now. So that's one problem, but we're still pulling to the left. So I'm going to get the other side torn apart, do the same thing, and then I'm going to take these calipers back off and throw some more grease in here. Get everything greased up, get the slides greased up, you know, get everything ready to go, and then see if they spin again freely. At the same time, I am going to take banjo bolts here, measure them, make sure they're right to tolerance, and probably get new ones, honestly. But let's get to work and see what we can find out. So it seems the problem came down to this, and that is, you know, slides work just fine. All that's happy and hunky-dory. Everything else is greased. Pads look okay. Rotors look okay. But I know I'm not going to be able to do this with one hand, but these pistons do not want to move. They either want to stay on or not engage. So we're going to go see if I can get some other ones, if that fixes the problem. So let's head to the parts store. So ran into town. I got new calipers, which are AC Delco Professional calipers, and then I got new pads, given the other ones were pretty much burnt from the other night. So let's get everything greased up, get the slides in, new pads in, and put these in and see what happens. So it's been a while since I finished up the brakes because I kind of had to rush through and finish the job without filming it because I was going back to school. But anyways, I'm here in my apartment parking lot, and you know, here's your proof that the brakes work. Whoa, they worked. Amazing. So sorry this video is going to be kind of choppy, but kind of was just me filming when I had 2 seconds as I kind of had to rush through it all. But thanks for watching.